This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall. Beautifully renovated 2-bedroom and 2-bath in the gated adult community of Somerset. Unit boasts a bright and open floor plan, crisp white kitchen featuring white shaker cabinets and granite countertops. Both baths have been renovated as well, plush new carpet in living and bedrooms. Expansive enclosed sunroom. Community pool and clubhouse is just steps away. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall at 954-296-7700.